Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. First up, Tom Lee, who is the same person who created the Bitcoin Misery Index that we spoke about a couple days ago. He is also the head of the Fundstrat Global Advisors Group. Thinks that Bitcoin will hit $91,000 by March 2020. Fundstrat and Lee have compiled an impressive database, statistics, and graphs on Bitcoin to help to visualize short-term and long-term trends. They include the cost of Bitcoin mining, hourly, daily, and monthly trading trends, and technical analysis. They actually created an entire chart, which is right here, which shows all the times that Bitcoin has had a 70% or more decline. And this indicates to them that this was a bear market. So we've actually gone through this as well over the last couple of weeks. We have had a 70% decline in all of just about every single crypto asset out there. One particular thing that we've seen over and over and over and over through every single person who has been analyzing this, who has been putting this stuff into computers to see exactly what's going on in the market, they all agree that something is about to happen that will skyrocket the price. I don't know what that is. They all claim to know what it is, but we've had estimates anywhere from at the end of this year to be $50,000 to 2020. We've had, what's his name? Who said that it would hit $1 million a coin. That might be a bit high, but I mean, we also didn't expect it to hit $20,000 until I think people were saying around 2023 at some point. So that is also something that took us by surprise. Whatever is happening right now, all the major players are convinced that Bitcoin is on its way up, and we could see $91,000 or $100,000 by 2020. And a lot of people think that 50,000, maybe 60,000. I've even heard, I think 75,000 on Bloomberg a couple times by the end of this year, which means hopefully that we are possibly at the end of this downtrend in the market. Next up, you guys all know about Tether and the controversy surrounding Tether. There's a couple of them. So we have Tether that has come out, obviously, and then we have another one who came out called True USD. We have a lot of currencies that are trying to peg themselves to one-to-one to the US dollar or try to become the next popular stable coin. So the USDX, which is I believe the third and the newest one that we have, was created to combine the quantitative theory of money with proof of stake mining. All of this algorithm's data is gathered from a delegated decentralized data source, also known as an oracle, and the shilling point mechanism, which has been referenced by Vitalik Buterin in the past. It is an interesting mix of information sources, which will certainly have an effect on the perceived stability of USDX moving forward. There's a lot of controversy around people who are creating these coins because, especially with Tether, we know that they were printing them, and then at some point it seems as if it could have been pushing up the price of Bitcoin, because whenever Bitcoin slumped, there was an increase in the amount of Tether that was pushed onto the market, and it actually rose the price of Bitcoin up as this Tether was being used to buy Bitcoin and therefore kind of squeeze the supply that was actually circulating. So it begs the question, what exactly will happen to the market when True USD becomes more popular, and if USDX becomes more popular, especially because it seems that you are capable of mining and therefore creating US dollars. We'll probably get more information about this as time goes along, but this is yet another coin that says that they will be pegged to the US dollar, or they have found a way to perfectly peg themselves to the US dollar. Let's see exactly what happens in the crypto market and if this has an effect on prices in the future. Last up, Coinbase is smart. They're very smart. No matter what they do, no matter what controversies they have going on, they make sure that they will continue to push themselves forward. Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange platforms worldwide, has announced that it successfully opened the bank account with a major British bank, Barclays. According to a recent CNBC article, most British banks have abstained from doing business with cryptocurrency-related businesses in general due to concerns of illicit activities. So the fact that Coinbase was able to open an account with them is major, because not only have British banks been shunning people left and right, we were talking about that about a month and a half ago. They were pushing back anyone who was trying to open up a bank account if they had anything to do with cryptocurrencies. And the fact that Coinbase has gotten into the market is very, very important, especially because I think they were also able to, what was it? Coinbase received some type of license, an e-money license by the British Financial Conduct Authority. What a lot of people don't know is that it actually gave them access to 23 more European countries. And I would not be surprised within the coming months if we see some type of Coinbase spinoff or a Coinbase.fr or DE or something like that start moving into other European markets. They're very, very smart. A lot of people don't care for them because of their fees or whatever the case might have been, what people have been using them. But they remind me of a lot of other companies who are trying to make sure that they push themselves into other markets just in case they are shunned by others. But this in the long run is actually really good because it's clear that they plan on opening or doing something in other European countries or around the world. I'm sure they're going to try to get into Asia as well. But this only spreads their influence, and they're allowed to then put ads around on websites or wherever the case might be in order to get cryptocurrency moving forward. So thumbs up to Coinbase for what they're doing. So far, a very light news day. Whenever you come out of the weekend, there's not an avalanche of things going on. But as things are going now, prices are going up a tiny bit, I believe. I am honestly not holding my breath until we see a gigantic spike. But the thing that's floating around on the grapevine right now is that we may be at the end of this downtrend because so many people believe that we are expected to shoot up higher in prices. All right, everyone, that is going to do it for this video. As always, I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are, wherever you might be, whatever you might be doing. And I will talk to you all soon. See you.